Ever wondered what the difference is between shooting a suppressed rifle and one without a suppressor? Let's break it down. Whether you're a hunter or just want to have a quieter afternoon on the range, suppressors elevate your experience, safely and responsibly. Suppressors dampen but don't silence the noise from a gunshot. Suppressors are an important safety tool. They also reduce recoil and help decrease flinching when shooting. These benefits help a shooter improve accuracy for hunting or during a day on the range. You can hear the difference. Learn more at AmericanSuppressorAssociation.com.